So, good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. And as I promised you that I'm going to send the video of this chapter also, so I'll be explaining the chapter. Okay, I'm just going take the quick revision of this chapter, the whole chapter. Okay, already we have discussed in the live class half of the chapter. Okay, and half of the chapter again will be discussed in the live class, so that the chapter is all very much clear to you all. And you just go through the video also. Those who have left the live class or unable to take the live class, you can go ahead with the video of this chapter. And the name of the chapter is The Story of Amrita. Okay, now before starting this chapter, just I would like to talk to you children about the importance of trees. This chapter, the story that has been taken in this chapter is all based on the importance of the trees, how much the trees are important for us, as nowadays like people have suffered for the oxygen. So oxygen, the main source that we get oxygen is from trees. So we have to take an oath that from now on we are going to take care of the green trees. We are not going to cut down the trees. Even we have less space in our home, we are going to plant small trees. Okay, then I'm going to start the chapter, The Story of Amrita. You can see the picture of, okay, there is an animal, okay, there is a village scene, okay, there is a forest, and the man is thinking about the green forest, and villagers were talking something. See what kind of tree is there behind, no leaves are there. Okay, let's just go ahead with the chapter. Now, this is a true story from long ago. Okay, as I told you, that story is there is a story in this chapter जो कि बहुत पुरानी है और बहुत ही सच है, सच्चाई वाली स्टोरी. ओके, सच्ची स्टोरी है. ऑलमोस्ट 300 years ago. कितने साल? 300 years ago. Okay, in a village called खिजाडली. कौन सा विलेज है? व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द विलेज? खिजाडली. लिव्ड अमृता. कौन रहती थी? एक छोटी बच्ची अमृता रहती थी. खिजाडली विलेज इज़ नियर जोधपुर इन राजस्थान. सो दिस विलेज गॉट्स इट्स नेम बिकॉज ऑफ द many खिजाडी ट्रीज दैट ग्रो देयर. ओके, बहुत से इस तरह के खिजाडी ट्री ग्रो होते थे इस एरिया में, इसलिए उसका नाम ही पड़ गया खिजाडली. ओके, गॉट इट. द पीपल ऑफ दिस विलेज took great care of the plants, trees and animals, goats, deer, hares and peacocks. So the people of this village, they not only take care of the animals, now not only take care of the plants and trees, but they also are very lovable and careful, and very much they used to pay attention to the animals like goat, deers, peacocks and hares. Okay, the people of this village remembered what their elders used to tell them, and they are very well, they used to follow the instructions of their elders, that what they have instructed. And they used to say, agar पेड़ है तो हम हैं. Okay, yes, of course, it's a very true and authentic line children. अगर पेड़ है तो हम हैं. See, in the next line it has been explained, plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, वो हमारे बिना तो रह सकते हैं बेटा, लेकिन हम उनके बिना बिल्कुल भी नहीं रह सकते. वी कांट इवन सर्वाइव विदाउट देम. सी इफ वी आर नॉट गेटिंग गुड ऑक्सीजन, वी आर अनेबल टू सर्वाइव, वी आर अनेबल टू लिव इवन. So plants are very important for our life. Okay, and the next thing, that Amrita's friend, now the story has been started. Amrita's friend, Amrita, ये जो छोटी बच्ची थी ना, she used to go around the trees and used to hug the trunk of the trees and spend lots and lots of time in the middle of the फॉरेस्ट और इन द मिडल ऑफ द ट्रीज़. ऐसे करते करते अमृता वहाँ पर बड़ी हो गई. शी इज़ मैरिड ऑल्सो, एंड लाइक अमृता अदर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो हैड देयर स्पेशल ट्रीज़. हर दिन एक स्पेशल ट्रीज़ को वो पकड़ते थे, उनसे बातें करते थे. एंड दे यूज टू स्पेंड टाइम. दे वुड प्ले फॉर आवर्स इन द शेड ऑफ द ट्रीज चिल्ड्रन. ओके, बहुत आवर्स, बहुत घंटों वो वहाँ पर खेला करते थे अपने दोस्तों के साथ. और एक ख़ास दोस्त कौन थे उनके? The trees are the best of their friends. They make some special one day. They pick one special tree and they used to talk to them. Okay. Now in the next page it has been explained that trees in danger. Okay. Now time went by. धीरे धीरे अमृता बड़ी हो गई, grown up हो गई, उसके भी बच्चे हो गए. तो एक दिन उन लोगों ने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? What they have observed one day. She went to greet her trees as usual. Amrita went to greet her trees. So what she saw there, that some strangers, that people that we are not knowing. Okay, so they had an axe. Axe is a kind of instrument or a tool to cut down the tree. Okay, they said that the king had sent to cut trees for wood, and now the people, the strangers or the fellows that they are cutting down the trees, they said that we have been ordered and it has been ordered by the king कि उनको palace में कुछ काम हो रहा है and they need a wood, so we have to cut down the trees. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. राजा का जो महल है उसे बनाना है, तो इसीलिए हमें भाई लकड़ी चाहिए और हम उनके ऑर्डर को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. Okay, Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. तो अमृता को तो बहुत बुरा लगता है. अमृता के लिए तो वो एक फैमिली मेम्बर जैसे थे वो ट्रीज ना बेटा. So she never of thinking like this कि that people are cutting down the trees. So what she do? She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. You can see in the picture that the fellow is going to cut down the tree and Amrita is just holding the tree around her arm. Okay, tightly. The men shouted and threatened her. अब जो आदमी था उसे तो राजा को ऑर्डर था, तो उसने क्या किया? कहा हटो हटो, मुझे इसे कट करना है. इवन थ्रेटन मीन्स धमकी भी दी कि राजा को ऑर्डर है, यू कांट डू इट लाइक दिस. बट अमृता did not let go of the tree. लेकिन अमृता ने पेड़ को नहीं छोड़ा. King Mens has to follow the order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughter, hundreds of other villagers, old and young, hugged the tree to protect them. Now here, as Amrita got stepped in to save the tree, to protect the tree, उसके बच्चे और other villagers भी, और भी सारे villagers, they are very much attached ना, so they came out to protect the trees. But as the king has ordered to cut down the trees, the strangers, those who are holding the axes, they cut down the trees, not even thinking that the people have died. They have given their lives to not cutting down the tree. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the tree. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their live children for trees. And when all the incidents, when it has been heard by the king, he was really shocked that they have given their life to not cutting down the trees. He could not believe, उन्हें यकीन ही नहीं हुआ कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. So he himself, the king, okay, they visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. और वहाँ पर उन्होंने देखा कि इस गांव में लोगों को कितना अटैचमेंट है, कितना लव है, कितना पैशन है, कितना रिस्पेक्ट है ट्रीज को लेके. Now the village is protected. So the village is strong, feeling village is protected, and again we'll be discussing more and more about in this chapter in the next video. Okay, I'm just be going on. I just want you to, if you are having the book at home, just read the chapters, and in the next video I'll be explaining half of the chapter. Okay, so till here only for this video. Go ahead with the video. Okay children, till then be happy and be safe.